Ever wondered how a robot follows a line all by itself? In this video, I will show you how to build this line following robot using Arduino. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this project, we will need these components: an Arduino UNO, an L293D motor driver shield, two IR sensors, gear motors, wheels, two lithium-ion cells, a cell holder, a slide switch, a 9-volt battery with a snap connector, and a few jumper wires. Let's begin by soldering the motors. Although DC motors don't have a fixed polarity, for our reference, we will consider the right terminal as positive and the left terminal as negative. This helps us avoid confusion while wiring. For the cases, I am using a simple wooden base. Let's attach all the motors to it. Here you can see that I have mounted all the motors with the negative terminals facing upward. Keeping the orientation the same helps us avoid direction errors later. Next, take the Arduino UNO and mount the motor driver shield on top of it. Now, connect all the motor wires to the motor driver shield. Before attaching the IR sensors, let's install the wheels. Now it's time to mount the IR sensors. Keep a gap of about 5 cm between the two sensors and a height of around 2 cm from the ground. Take two male to female jumper wires and connect them to the output pins of the IR sensors. Connect the left IR sensor pin to A4 and the right IR sensor pin to A5. Next, take two female to female jumper wires and connect the VCC and ground pins of both IR sensors to the corresponding servo header pins on the motor shield. Now take the battery holder and connect the switch to it. Connect the negative wire of the battery holder to one terminal of the switch and take another wire from the adjacent terminal. Now fix the battery holder onto the base. Also attach the switch to the base. Now connect the terminals of the cell holder to the power supply terminals of the motor driver shield. Now connect the another cell. Now let's stick the wires neatly using a tape. Now let's connect the 9-volt battery to the Arduino. Now let's see the coding part. Before we look at the code, there is one important step. Since we are using the Adafruit motor shield, we first need to install its library. Just open the library manager, search for it and install it. Once that is done, we are ready to go. Now, the code is actually pretty straightforward. First, we define the pins connected to the two IR sensors and set the motor speeds for normal movements and turning. Next, we create 4 motor objects to control the 4 motors. Inside the setup function, we set both IR sensor pins as inputs and set the speed for all 4 motors. Inside the loop function, the Arduino keeps reading the values from both IR sensors. Here, low means the sensor is on the white surface and high means it is on the black line. If both sensors detect the white surface, the robot moves forward. If the left sensor is on the white surface and the right sensor is on the black line, the robot turns right. Similarly, if the left sensor is on the black line and the right sensor is on the white surface, the robot turns left. If both sensors detect the black line, the robot stops. Finally, we write all the movements in separate functions: forward, left, right, and stop. This makes the code simple and easy to understand. Now let's click the upload button and upload the code to the Arduino. Once the upload is complete, place the IR sensors over the black line and adjust the potentiometer on each sensor. Set it so that the indicator LED turns off on the black line and turns on the white surface. And that's it, our line following robot is ready. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And I will see you in the next one.